In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pages in Figma. Pages are a simple but powerful way to keep your file organized, especially as your project grows. Let's walk through how to set them up. Navigate them smoothly and keep your work tidy from start to finish. First, open your design in Figma. With your file open, look to the Layers panel on the left. At the very top of the Pages section, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that to create a new page. This instantly gives you a fresh canvas within the same file, so you can separate ideas without creating new documents. It's perfect when you want to try variations, keep components apart from screens, or prepare a final handoff space without clutter. To move between pages, you have a couple of options. You can simply click any page name in the list to jump right there. If you prefer keyboard navigation, use page down to go to the next page and page up to go to the previous one. This makes it fast to compare versions side by side or review a sequence of work without breaking your flow. When it comes to keeping things clear, click on any page name to bring up options to rename, delete, or duplicate. Renaming helps everyone understand what's inside at a glance. Duplicating is especially helpful for backups before big changes. Think of it as a snapshot you can roll back to. And if a page is no longer needed, deleting it reduces noise so the important work stays front and center. For structure, it helps to use pages to reflect your project milestones. For example, you might set up pages called Drafts, Components, and Final Design. Drafts can hold early explorations. Components can keep reusable elements neat and accessible, and Final Design can be your polished, ready to share work. Clear, consistent naming saves time for you and anyone else who opens the file. If you want to change the order of pages, click and drag the page names to reorder them in the list. Place the most active pages at the top so they're always within easy reach. Reordering doesn't affect the content inside a page, it just gives you a layout that matches how you work. That's it. Thanks for watching.